What is a contact page? Contact pages are often the go-to for a new visitor. It's where they go when they have a question and truly want to speak to an individual at your organization. They exist to serve the user with the purpose of providing them with information on how they can get in touch with you. In this tutorial, we will cover how to create a simple contact page on WordPress. First, we need to install a contact form plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, then click Add New. The plugin we'll use is the WP Forms plugin. Here it is. Click Install. After installing, click Activate, to activate the plugin. Now that it's activated, we can now start on creating our contact form. WP Forms offers ready-to-use templates, but we will make ours from scratch. Click the blank form option. Let's start adding in some fields for our form. I want the form to ask the visitors their name and email. So I will add a name field and an email field. I want them to also send a message or give us some comments. So I will add a paragraph text for that. We can also edit the fields that we've added by clicking it. For example, I want the name field to have a simple format. We can select some available formats for that. I will also add a placeholder, to give our visitors a hint on what to input on the field. We can also make certain fields required, by enabling or disabling it below. I want to change the label of the paragraph text into message or comment. If the form contains the fields you want it to have, click the Save button above to save the form. We now have a form in our WP Forms plugin. The next step that we need to do is put the contact form we created to our contact page. To do that, go to Pages, then click All Pages. I already have a contact page created, but it is still empty, so we will add the form to it. Search for WP Forms in the block options. Click it. Then select the form we created. And here it is. Click Update to update the page. Now let's check if it really exists. It does. Now our visitors can get in touch with us through this form. Notice that if I click the Submit button, it shows an error that we should input something on the name and email fields, for it is required. And that's how you create a simple contact page on your website. Thank you for watching. And subscribe for more videos.